Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick Shop Miss A haul video. I have 4 different bags that I have. I purchased a bunch of stuff from Shop Miss A. The reason why this is going to be a bit short is because I filmed this already and I pretty much cut my whole head off. When I was filming, I'm trying to find a better setup for filming in my room. I had to move some things around, but anyway, you don't probably care about that. So I'm just gonna jump right into pretty much all of my 4 Shop Miss A haul video or bags. I'm gonna start with the 2 biggest. So in here are 2 different sizes or different ones, and these are the Pawpaw Premium plush slippers. So I've got them in gray and in clear or cream. I really like them. They're great for just walking around a condo's floor housing, like my floor. So then I have this, and these are the Detox foot patches. I have a set of 12, and then I picked up 2 more. These came in different bags. Honestly, I'm just putting everything out and just grabbing things. I figured it'd be easier than going through each individual bag again. So this video won't be like a million years long. Anyway, so these are the foot detoxifying patches. I've used a few of these already. I really like them, so I decided I was going to do a test out and see. I watched a video of someone doing them from a different brand and seeing how they feel in like 5 consecutive days. So I figured I needed some to try that, so stay tuned for that video. If you want to see that video, leave me a comment in the comments below and I will do that for you. So then I picked up 2 of these, and these are the oven mitts. They are the heat and slip resistant silicone oven mitts. They are super cute. Anyway, I take things out of the microwave a lot with 2 hands, and you kind of need a little bit of grip, and I find like some of the pot holders that I have are a little bit harder to use, so I decided to pick up 2 of those. I picked up this here, and this is the Glitter Joy. This is, well, it's not really glitter. It's actually rhinestones, and it's just like a whole sticker of rhinestones. For Halloween, I used another set that I bought of these, and I really liked them. I used eyelash glue instead of putting them on with just like the sticker, but it worked really well. They stayed on all day, and it looked super cute, so I picked up another one of these. So I picked up some hair elastics, and these are just from the Princess Accessories. There's 500 of them. They're brown, clear, black, and some white ones. So I use these little tiny little hair elastics quite often, so I picked those up. So then I picked, oh yeah, here, these up, and these are 3 different kinds, and these are the exfoliating facial sponges, and I picked up the black one and 2 of the corally pink ones. They're all different shapes, so this one's more rounded, and then this one here is more like this one, but they're all Renew and Renew Plus, so that's what those are. So I picked up 2 of these, and these are the tidy cord belts, and you just kind of wrap cords and then kind of clamp them together with these. I'll show you. So they're silicone, and they have, well, so then you just, it says hello on here, and then you just wrap your cord around, and then you just put it through here. So I got 2 of those. And then I picked up some of these. These are the bamboo reusable cotton pads. So I picked up, there's 4 of them. So I really like these. So I've been kind of using them a lot. So I picked up another 2 sets of them. And then I picked up the velvet ones as well. I wanted to try these. These are a different color. They're a little bit more on the cream side, but these are the velvet reusable pads, so I wanted to try those ones as well. And then I picked this up here, and this is the sunflower seed oil based cleanser remover. And what you do is you have your dry skin, and you use your makeup, you put your makeup on, and then you wash it off right away. It's supposed to be kind of like one of those balms that you use to kind of oil base that get rid of makeup, and then you wash it off. So I'm going to try that out. And then I have this hair mask here, and this is for fine, thinning hair. I don't have fine thinning hair, but because it's the coconut oil one, I wanted to give it a try. And then this one here is the vitamin E oil ones, and I picked up 2 of these, and these are the hair masks as well. I've been really obsessed with hair masks. I do a hair mask every single week. My hair is, let's just say, it's not very healthy. It's curly, it's dry, it's winter. I swim a lot in a chlorine pool, so my hair is not the best it could be. So I want to give these a go. I use hair salon products a lot due to the fact that I'm a hairdresser, and a lot of the times, I mean, they're great as well, but I really just want to try these ones because they're a lot cheaper. Then I picked this up here, and this is the pH 5.5 Cica and Licorice Root Face Cleanser. This is the gel cleanser. I have one of these in my shower already. I really, really love this. So I picked up another one. Then I picked up some face masks. So I have 2 of the moisturizing face masks, and these are the double ones. So they're sheet masks, but there's 2 different ones, so like a top and a bottom to them. So I find that these are really nice, and they're very inexpensive. So these were $1.25 Canadian, I think. So I really picked up some of those. So, and then I have 5 of these. I have a problem. I love sheet masks. They're literally my favorite. So these ones are the anti-aging ones. So these actually have collagen in them. So they're collagen infused. So that is why I picked up so many of them. They obviously didn't come in one bag. I picked them up in the, you know, the 4 bags that I have. If you want to see a video on me trying out one of those, leave me a comment in the comments below, because I was thinking of doing a video for you guys. So then there is this here, and you've seen one of these before on my channel. This is a styling brush from Urban Salon, they call it. So it's for styling and finishing. I have 2 other ones from this kind of brand. This is just a smaller one. I picked it up because I've been using the other 2 at work as a hairdresser, and they are really nice. So I picked this one up. They're really inexpensive. I don't know how great they are for the hair, which is why I'm trying them out. And they work really well. I use them on clients at work. So, but I wanted to get a little bit of a smaller one for those shorter haired peoples. So yeah, I have some more stuff. I picked up another sheet mask. This is the Sweet Honey one. This is a 15-minute one. You put it on, you leave it on for 15 minutes, and then you keep the essence on your face. Whatever's left, you pat into your face. So I think honey's supposed to be good for moisturizing, so I wanted to try out the honey one. Then I have 2 eyelashes, 2 sets of eyelashes, and these are the AOA Studio eyelashes. They say they're 100% natural hair. And the first time I filmed this video, I was like, oh my god, I hope there's not actually eyelashes in them. Yep. On the back, it literally says that they're cruelty-free. So they are definitely not human eyelashes. Not gonna lie, sometimes I'm not the most genius person in the world. But here we go. So there's 2 different kinds, and this one's like this one's Ellie, and then this one is Brit, I think it's called. Yeah. And this one's obviously a lot thinner with a very small band, and then this one's a thicker band with thicker, bigger lashes. So I wanted to try those out. And I picked this up here, and this is the matte silicone heat mat. It's a silicone resistant heat mat, and it protects surfaces from heating tools. This is a premium quality silicone. I got it in purple, and it is really interesting. So it's got these little things here on it, and what you do is you can actually wrap it up. It's great for traveling. Not that I'm going anywhere anytime soon. Unfortunately, with this whole, you know, COVID situation here, Canada is not, most of us aren't traveling a lot, especially in BC. There's some stuff going on in BC, and most of us aren't leaving our lower mainland area because of a bunch of floods and stuff. So I am safe, my family's safe, we're all okay. It's just BC has been hit really, really bad this year. I'm not saying other places haven't either. Flooding has been really bad this year, which is something that normally doesn't happen here in BC. So with all the fires and stuff, but we're all okay, so like my family and stuff, but most of us aren't really traveling at this point. But so that's, yeah. But I also use these for when I'm doing blinging out shirts and stuff. I have a little thing called, it's called a heat, it's a heat flex, hot flex, and it actually picks up gems, but it's hot, and then it like, there's like glue, and it kind of, yeah. But I use this also for doing that, so when I'm picking up the gems, I'm not picking it up off of something because like the whole thing's hot. Yeah, so then I picked this up here, and this is an AOA Studio Eyeshadow Quad, and I thought this was supposed to be purple. It is very blue. I would do swatches for you, but I'm gonna give it to somebody else, and I'm not gonna want to swatch it. This is in bird watching. The pictures looked purple when I ordered this. There is literally no purple, none. It's very, very blue. So other than this one here, I would never use any of them, so I'm just gonna give it away. It was really inexpensive. It's not a big deal. No biggie. Then I picked this up here, and these are the Invisible Acne Patches with tea tree oil and Cica oil. I don't know, but they're great for getting rid of acne issues. I have to use my mask all day long. I sweat in it. I'm in the salon. I'm doing a lot of making hair look gorgeous, and wearing a mask gives me some really bad skin problems. So these have been helping a lot. I do want to say, however, they're not like the ones where you put it on and they're not like miracle patches. They're not, it's not gone in one day. It is very much smaller in one day, and 2 or 3 patches like overnight, depending on how big the zit is and the problem area is. I find that 1 or 2 is really good, but they're really good. So I bought a whole other pack of 84 of them. So they've got the 2 different sizes in this pack. Then I picked up some really cute little heart earrings. They are just gold with the little pink fake gems in there. And I picked up these little cute hair clips. I have another set of these. I picked these up as soon as they came back and restocked. These are so cute. I absolutely love them. So I picked up another set of those. Then I picked this up here, and I'm kind of going to try to hold over it. This is a mirror. This is the AOA Studio Magnifying ×5 makeup mirror with the suction cups on it. So this, it says to put in your bathroom. You can put it on your bathroom tiles. Why we love this for shaving. Why would you need a ×5 for shaving? Oh, yes, maybe your face. I'm not shaving my face. But I wanted to get this for when I do plucking out my eyebrows. Then I picked this up here, and this is the magnetic spice tin. So it's for spices to put on your fridge. I'm not using it for that. I'm going to use it for a crafting item, but this is really big size. I know I like the clear thing for it, so I could put some stuff in here. Then I got another one of these, and these are the AOA Perfect Studio setting powders. It is in matte translucent. It is just like the powder. Then I picked up this, and if you haven't seen this already, this is the AOA Argan Oil Sponge Soap. This one smells really good. This is in strawberry, but this is how I clean my makeup brushes. It comes in like this little puck. You take the plastic off, you leave it in here, and then you swirl your brushes in it to clean. They are fabulous. They are super inexpensive and literally super easy to use. Then I picked up some of these. There's a lot of them. There are 5 of these, and these are the Collagen under eye patches. These are for anti-aging. They help with wrinkles, dry, puffiness, and they're the gel type. So one side has gel on them and the other side is like a fabric-y thing. So they're not actually wet. So when you open them up, there's no like wetness in them, which I really like, and they stick so well to your face. So I really like using these, so I picked up 5 of them. Then I picked up some more beauty blenders. So I'm not gonna lie, I have an obsession with beauty blenders. They're really inexpensive and love them. So I picked up this one. This is the microfiber one, and this is in the, this is the light one, pink. It's the velvet layered one, and then below is that. Then I picked up this one. This is my all-time favorite beauty blender. This is the one that I use practically every day. Well, not this one, from the same one, but this is the Mochi Wonder Blender, and I actually can use this wet or dry. Everything looks a bit better when it's wet, but it's fantastic. Then I picked up these 2. So these are the Pawpaw Wonder Beauty Blenders, and I just picked a pack of 6 up. They're great for makeup. They're great for doing a lot of things. Obviously, they're makeup sponges. However, because things are so inexpensive on AOA and I use a lot of their beauty blenders, I don't keep them as long as, like, say I would keep like a regular beauty blender due to the fact that they're so expensive. So like with these, I use them. I washed them a couple of times, I've used them again, and then I kind of just get rid of them. I know it's a bit wasteful, but then I'm not reusing the same sponge until it's pretty much dead and disgusting. And we've all seen those videos of where people cut open their beauty blenders and there's nasty stuff inside, and those give me the heebie-jeebers. So I just buy cheap, inexpensive ones that work amazing. And then the last thing I picked up was this here, and this is some ribbon. This is holiday ribbon. It's got little reindeers on it. I'm so excited for Christmas. I figured that would be really cute for presents. Alrighty, well, that was everything in this massive Shop Miss A haul. I realize I went through this really fast, and hopefully you can understand me. Sometimes when I talk real fast. But I had already filmed this video, and I didn't want it to be like a million years long. So yeah, well, I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day.